So I'll start off with our demonstration. So here's our home page, and you can click there to sign up for an account and click here to sign in. So now let's go to browse cases. Browse cases, yes. So here we'll be able to see all the active missing cases in Singapore right now. So let's say I want to report a missing person. I can go to report. But since I'm not logged in yet, I'll be redirected to this login page where I will have to fill up her email and her password to log into her account. So after we log in, and now once we click on report, we'll be able to see a form. So we have basic fields such as full name, age, gender, etc. And we also have to fill out the last seen location and the missing time of the person. We also have a description field to talk about physical appearance of the person, as well as a special note field to mention any additional information, like for example, autism, dementia, etc. And users are also required to upload an image of the missing person. And we also have an optional rewards section, which may incentivize more people to participate in the search. So let's create posts. After creating, we can go to browse cases now. And we can see that it has been populated onto the dashboard. And there will also be this red color outline here, which indicates that this post was reported by me. And our app also calculates the amount of time the person has been missing. So now let's click on a post by another person. So for example, Ryan. And we can see that we are unable to edit or delete this post. But when we navigate back to my own post, we can see that we have these options. So let's say I already found this missing person and I want to delete this post. So when we delete, I'll be redirected to my profile page, which shows all the cases that I've reported till now. So now I'll pass it back on to Louis to talk more about the language detection.
So the next features that we want to demonstrate is called automatic language detection. So with this, the AI features integrated into reporting process. So we decided to introduce this feature because we want to enable the non-English speaking users to use our app without any linguistic barriers. And then we hope to draw in more users to use our app on a daily basis. So basically, the users can fill in the form in the exact same way as they would in the normal reporting process. The only difference is that the users can fill in the form, you can fill in the description and special note using their preferred language. So in this, for example, in this case, I fill in a form using Vietnamese. And after that, I click on create post button. And then the user should be able to see that the post was successfully created and that the app detect the source language and then translate it into English. So if users decided to edit the post, so instead of showing the translated text in English, so our app will show the text in original language so that the users can edit the post. Okay. I pass my on to
Okay, so now going back, we will go back to the browse cases page, and this page actually to be able to browse all the different cases that's been listed by other users on the platform. So this is presented in column. But one of the other user scenarios that we're focusing on is the open search of screen for the report. So as you can see on the left side of the page, there's a search filter. So by default, when you enter this page, the sort bar is sorted by most recently posted sites report. So you can see James, which is most recently created post previously is there. And you can also sort it by most recently missing to highest reward. So if you sort it by most recently missing, you can see that it's sorted by the hidden decimal missing. So that was been missing for 23 hours and 39 hours respectively. Yeah. So for filter search, you can search, for example, for baby. Who's like a male, maybe, and I'm searching. So for my happy path, I'll see that there's a really tiny case, which I'm looking for. And if I say swap the gender to female, my sad path is that I won't be able to think cases as available. So these sad and happy paths are obviously present on the cover report. So yeah, so if you go back to browse cases, right? So you can see all the cases here, and if we click into any of the cases, so the Muhammad Shafiq one, yeah. If you scroll down, there's actually also a section, there's a public contribution and commonly asked questions AI generated. So now I'll pass my time to Senna who will talk about the public contributions.
Okay, so since our main aim of our app is to basically tap on the community in order to enlist the help of the community to find these missing people faster. So something that we thought about was that people can give their own public contribution. So any information that's pertinent to a case that they think is useful in helping the poster find the missing person faster, they can just simply comment it out. And like any other social media, they will just create their comment. Yeah, so now it's like one of the public contributions. So if, say, for example, you forget, if you want to add on some information, maybe like, oh, I don't know, he lost a shoe, but otherwise he looks okay, something like that, you can always just upload your comment. Or if you realize that maybe, everyone's saying different things to you, maybe your information is not 100% correct, so you can also just choose to delete the comment. Yeah, this one. Yeah, so we also took into consideration was the fact that there are like spam or irrelevant and unnecessary information that can be posted by other people. So for example, like this comment up here, that's rude to the poster. So the poster can choose to delete the comment that is irrelevant, so it doesn't clog up, and there's no backup inside the public contributions that's not helpful to be finding the missing person. Okay, I'll now pass my time over to Cephas, who will be explaining the dynamic prompt generation.
Okay, last feature I promise. Okay, so let's say I'm a user and I'm scrolling through all the missing cases, and I go down and I see this guy here, William Chong. Looks a bit familiar. I see him every time, like, at my local coffee shop, drinking coffee. And the thing is, he's missing. So let's just say that in the event that like you're on your neighborhood and I spot him, I'm not going to actively look for him, of course, but at the same time, if I do spot him, I want to actually bring him home. So I see the special note that up there. I see in my special note that he actually has dementia. But the thing is, I'm not really sure on how to interact with someone that has dementia, because like, if I actually something wrong, maybe like runs off or something. So that's where our dynamic prompt generation comes into play, where the commonly asked questions here would be, what should I do if I suspect someone is this person, and given this person's condition, what's the most appropriate way to approach it? So our dynamic prompt generation will give you like a way and tips to how to interact with this person if you find it. Yeah, so how it works is that our Wheels web app will actually send the special note and description to the Vertex AI text question, and this is deployed on the Blast server.